Yeah.
This conference will now be recorded.
Uh, so to the agenda Pega demo. Before going to that, we go for small introduction.
And sir, can I ask one more thing before starting?
Yes, yeah. Yes.
Yes. Like I've like for 2 days I've searching the openings in like various companies. Most of the openings are in like big four companies or like very big banks, not in the small scale companies.
Hmm.
So like when we are applying the experience letter, they all will be cleared because these are like huge corporations.
I'll tell coming to point. See, Pega system, okay, everybody using right now, almost. Because why they will use, I'll tell you that. Why they're showing the market brand. You understand now T says SCL, I can keep that, oh, this much. So you right, people will see brand. If you mention the small companies, they won't look at. Am I correct? Oh, these people are using, these big organizations are using. So definitely all the people will be attract. If the same
Okay.
thing I can give small companies, will you come? No, right? They won't see brand. Just general, we also right same thing. If you want to buy something, any dresses, what we can see is a brand is important. That's quality. What if you go and the same quality I can get from the small shops also, but you won't prefer. We'll go for big shops. Why?
Right.
Brand. You will see the brand, then only you can come. So what I'm saying that not only MNC companies, everybody using Shriram. Okay, but here based on the budget, some of the companies will be based on the customers. Some customers diamond customers, some customer gold customers, some customer silver customer. So based on the like using and putting of more investment, so will and some customers permanent customers like and contract customers will be there. So they will mention there only only top level people. So now everybody using Shriram, no doubt on that. Okay, no, you'll use
Okay.
everyone. Otherwise, we are regular. I'm in the morning session. Almost 3 batches will be there per Vega. So every batch will have almost 15 peoples. We are sending almost. See here in this, there are like only few peoples. Out of I can say 10 people in that. Only 3 4 peoples only experienced people who are working IT. Remaining all 67 people non-IT people. We are sending all them to the IT industry. So to with experience, not like freshers also. I'm just telling you. So how we are, that is the case, then we're not able to send it to people. Am I correct? Everybody see, because we are sending this, I'm like, we're saying that like these people are experienced from the small company. If that is the case, the big company, how we can keep it and how we can send them? It's very difficult, right, for me?
Right, sir.
No, like that. That's why it's not possible now. But even nowadays, the situation is different because of due to all other businesses different. But due to Corona, our IT industry will becomes more famous and become more high demand. You know that.
Yes.
That's why like huge market. IT industry will be become more revenue in the, due to Corona situation because everybody is online. Everything is work from home. Everything is they're making more business also. So due to the through online business only. 1 minute, guys. People are calling me. So that is the way. I'll tell you that one by one point, Shriram. Okay, now first we'll go for introduction. Okay, myself, Madhav. I have total 16 years of experience in the IT industry. In Pega, I have total 14 plus, and I am one of the MNC company working as a Pega lead system architect, senior lead system architect. Only I'm working that. Okay, this is about myself, and already I know about you. Just give the small your name and your experience when you passed out. I want that. Okay, don't go for more than that because we don't have time that much. Already I know the people. Just for again remaining to your information, just I'm asking you. Can you start with uh, Babu, your name, and
Yeah,
just when
I'm
you
Madhav.
passed out, what your experience? Yes.
And this is Babu, and I have 6 years of experience in automation testing,
Yeah.
and I have 4 years of experience with Pega application.
Yeah. So as working as a testing role, right?
Yes, automation testing. Correct.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Fine. Thank you, Babu. Hi, Bhargava.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Mm.
So, I'm 2016 passed out from graduation, and I'm working for technical support like BPO domain.
Okay. Okay. Good, Bhargava. Thank you. Hi, Kiran.
Hey, hi. Hi, this is Kiran. I passed out in 2016. Right now, I'm working on Pega with one of the top MNCs.
Sorry, what you are looking?
I'm already working on Pega.
You're looking Pega was developer.
Yes.
Pega developer, right? So why then
Yeah.
come and join? Is there
To know
any
more about
to know more about it? Which version are you using there, Kiran?
8.2. Sorry, 8.4.
Yeah, thank you, Kiran. Ramanjanelu.
Yeah.
Hi sir, this is Ramanjanelu. I am 2020 passed out, freshers.
Yeah, okay, good. Dilip Kumar.
Hi sir, my graduation is completed on 2016. I am working in insurance industry. I have 4 years experience.
Okay, okay, good. And Muhammad.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Abdul Khader. I have 7 years plus experience in oil and gas field. I used to work in Kuwait. Now I'm trying to find a job in Hyderabad, so that's why I want to learn Pega.
Okay, okay, good, Muhammad. Thank you.
Thank you.
Shriram. Yeah, Shriram. Hello, Shriram. You are muted.
Yes, yes. Actually, sir, I like third party mic I have, so I have to connect it. That's why I'm muted. My name is Sriram. I've done BE in IT. Actually, 2016 was my pass out year, but
Okay,
due to some physical condition, I had to admit around 8 to 9 months in the hospital. So that's why like in the final year, my some subjects got back. So I passed out in 2018, and right now I'm working with a small edtech company in Bangalore only,
okay,
but work from home.
okay. Fine, Shriram. Thank you. Hi, Shilash. You know.
Yeah, hi, this is Silas, and I've been working for finance company past 7 years.
Okay, fine, Shailesh. Hi, Srikanth. Srikanth. Okay, Srikanth. When I fresher, right, 2022. Okay,
Sir, my name is Vinay Reddy Ranabotu. I am 2022 passed out. I am studying my BSc final year.
okay, fine, Vinay. Thank you. I think still they need to like nearly few more students need to join today, but I don't know. Maybe they forget. Maybe they will join tomorrow also. Not your problem. We start it now. This is about introduction. Coming to point, training details here. The duration is a total of 40 days will be there. Daily 1 hour. The 40 days means don't think like it will come 2 months. Means daily 1 hour will be the same timing, 6:30 to 7:30, and Monday to Friday we have classes. Saturday, Sunday, no classes. Don't think it is a free time for you because you all are working people. So Monday to Friday, I will give a lot of assignments to you. So whatever you have the gaps, either any pendings, and you need to complete everything. Even I will give more assignments the weekend also. So we have to complete and commit in a Monday class. You need to submit and present in the Monday class. And every Monday we have mock interview also will be there. Every Monday we have mock interview. So it means that 40 days means it will be there near 2 months, the course. Okay, 2 months will be there. And we'll give you all Pega documents. I think already sent in the mail also mentioned on that all the points. We'll give the all Pega PPT, PowerPoint presentation, Pega documents, and Pega latest software. And we will give 2 Pega projects. And everyday class also will be recording. We are sharing to you. It will be, I will upload into the my Google Drive. There you can download and watch it. And first you can download it and store it in your system. It will be for your backup purpose, future purpose. And we'll give interview questions. There is very important certifications. CSA, CSSSA, both certifications will 100% guarantee to pass both certification also. And resume preparations and either in reference also will provide you. So they are the about training details.
Hey,
Okay,
hi.
they're the about training details. Yes, Kiran.
So, how much of years we can put difference between CS and CWSA?
How much?
How many months we can put as difference from CS and CWSA examination?
You can no need any months. Just you can do today CSA, day after tomorrow you can do it. I mean tomorrow itself you can do CSS also. Not a problem that.
If in interview purpose they will ask why you are doing within a short period, means what we have to
Because
do.
of I'm looking for opportunities. Good, people are expecting is a CSS. I can get the more package. I want to that. That's why I did immediately because I complete CSA. I have got the more confident. I'm already well about that. That's why I did a CSA. So clear. Way of talking. Way of this is like a market skills, Kiran.
Okay.
We can tell this way. Then they will accept, right?
Yeah.
So that's we can say that. Okay. So no need to any gap. Just only 1 day is enough. You can do it immediately. If that is the case, I did in both in immediately I did morning CSA, but now it's not possible. I did in 2009. I did CSA morning, CWSA afternoon. Now it is required one more day gap. But now that time we don't have 2009. There is no need gap. Morning I did CSA. Evening I did CSSA also. That is not that is based on your we can tell that because I have confident and I did well. So I know I studied well and that's why I tried both. We can tell that because I want good opportunities. I want good package. We can tell that these all things. Then nobody will ask a question. Okay. This is about training details. And what is going to do 40 days? That's very important. We are playing here 40 days, right? What we're going to do that. This one more thing completely there's I'm covering two. What is there in the Pega project level? What are the roles are there? What are the roles are there? Developer role, BA role, manager role, lead system architect role, tester role, administrator role, the main roles I'm telling you. And user role, who will use your application, right? End users. These all the roles are there in the any application. I'm discussing these all the roles, no doubt on that. Okay, I'm discussing what is this role, what is doing in the Pega project. But this completely agenda is developer role. But I'm covering all the role and responsibilities. But the more advanced depth we are going to covering this training is completed developer role. Here I'm going to covering CSS, both even CLSA also, but that's not required. I'm just telling you theoretically it's not required for you. We have to concentrate CSA, CSSA both. Why? Because we are this completely not a fresher training, completely experience based training. Because I know how we have to do in the real time, because I have 14 years of experience on the Pega level. So what they will ask you, I can play that. Okay, so whatever I'm telling, the same thing will come in the real time. There is no doubt on that. So what we are going to play here, the same thing you can play in our real time also. So this complete. Then question, there's two freshers will be the Vinay, Ramanjanelu. So what I can do? See, we have more advanced level than for you will be easily to clear as a fresher, fresher interviews, right? And you know more the subject and the particular topic level, you can easily will clear, no doubt on that. Okay, that's where for you is more advantage to know about more about product. Okay, that's one thing I want to tell you as a freshers. Now this is completely CSS our target. So what is going to do that? Which version? Right now latest version is 8.6. It came 5 months back. 8.6 is came 5 months back. Latest version 8.6. Generally, what are the versions will be there? We'll tell you. I'll tell you. We'll talk later, not now. So right now, latest version only we are going to concentrating, because when you know higher version, maybe in our project working the lower version, it will easily will handle. But if you go for lower version, in our project is working as a higher version product, then will be difficult for you. So that's why we are going to concentrate latest version only, no doubt on that. And what is agenda? 40 days. Daily 40 days will be there, right? Daily what is there? Without knowing, coming and seeing, simply I'm telling some topic name. But you have to know. You should know what is there inside the Pega product. Just review this. I will share you this course content and see that what are the topics I'm going to covering. Because if you know some index, then the topics, okay, this kind of feature, this kind of advantages will be in the Pega product. The other topics will be the Pega product. We'll get some high level information. Otherwise, without agenda, simply if you go, this is a topic, then go for next topic, that you are not able to get the proper information. So I mentioned here almost day wise, day one what is there, day two what is there, session one, session two. Session one is completely I'm going to theoretical and practical. Session two for the related to session one you have to do. Session two is a practical session. Like that I mentioned all the, this is completely my organization level training, and I'm going to give this one. This is my organizational level training course content. So here I mentioned the mainly 3 weeks, but the 3 weeks, 4 weeks. For us, 4 weeks will be not sufficient. 4 weeks, because you are my students. Company is different. There is okay, but here my students. So you should not struggle in the project level. So that's why I'm going to, because I'm going to sending you all the people as experience based. So you should not struggle, but I need to get more business from you. What I can do that by 2, this 4 weeks by 2 mean, so by I can give that with double and make it actually 8 weeks into 2, 8 weeks and make it this one. Maybe it will take also 9 weeks also, not sure on that, because I told you right, I want to make it as a clearly everything and as a practically as a theoretically. There is no coding. This is our agenda. So if you want, check it. CSSA course or topics. If you go Google, you don't worry, nowadays easily you can find every information, whatever you want, Google, YouTube, something. So get it, and the same thing, compare it whether Sari's course content, whether it's matched or not. You can see it immediately. So compared to in industry, in India itself, I can tell you that our SMK Infotech is the top in the Pega and BPM sector and APN both, in Salesforce also. So we are the number one total industry. So if you compare any other course content, ours will be more advanced, will be there. Not they don't have that much like advanced information, but our course content will be there. They're more advanced. That's why I'm requesting you, please don't share this course content to anyone. Okay, no? That's why I want one more requesting you personally, make it confidential for you only. Okay, so that's one thing I want to tell you. This is agenda completely. We're going to coding 40 days. What is going to do that? I think Kiran is already there. He has some experience. Told me that. Kiran, did you see that? What kind of info topics will be there? You can look it also. What is the mystery? If you want, let me know though, sir. It never miss. It will be there more here. It will be more than for you. Whatever you're working in, that is will be more than the for that. High profile. It will be more than that. It will be more than that. Check it on that if you want also. If you want already you know some topic, just click the Control F. Try it. If there any topic is missed, everything will be there. Okay. This is about what we are going to covering 40 days. This is our agenda. Okay. So introduction is over. About training details is over. Then third one is training course content. Next. You have any questions about training details and training course content level? Our agenda
I
is
have,
main CSA. Yes.
sir, we are freshers. Some of them are freshers, no, sir. But what package we can accept?
You can expect only 3.4 year. That's it. Don't think more than that. You are fresher, right? You are
Okay,
telling
sir.
that.
Okay, sir. We need minimum of 3 lakhs.
That's will get it
enough
here.
for me.
3.6 is the minimum in the IT industry package for the freshers, Vinay.
Okay, sir.
Standard policy is 3.6. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Next. Freshers also don't worry, Vinay, and Ramanjanelu will help you on that to clear you. I can refer you. But you should be strong in the packer. What I'm saying to you daily, and you have to go through the theoretical and the practical. Very important. Complete is a tool. It's not a language. No coding. You have to do more practice. So whatever I'm saying that if you practice more on the you're on the tool level, then will be definitely. I'm not expecting from you expect at least medium, basic, medium, expert will be there. I'm not expecting from you after my training expert. I'm just medium is enough for me. If you're the medium, I'm very happy. Definitely I can easily will place you into any company. That is easily for me also. Okay, that's not issue on that. Next, high profile. Sorry, I'm just started already. Just see that recording class. Okay. Next, these are about training details. Already I told that you all are experienced people, how we have to go experienced. I told you also. We'll make profile. If you have any gap, you have 3 years, we'll go for 3 years. If you have maybe more than 6, 7 also, but we'll keep only 5 years. Last 5 years you are working as IT, but in that package is 3 years, remaining 2 years I'm going to make as a manual testing. So this is your profile. I'm going to fix it through. Once you prepare it using this profile, we are going to getting the job as a good package in good company. No doubt on that. This is a standard. This is our formula. This is our training formula for everyone who have that experience. People who are looking outside, 100% guarantee I will give that. No doubt on that. If you want, you can now we are recording the class also. You can note it anyone. I can give the guarantee on that. Okay, now. Means maybe you can try
Like
that, but with the help. Sorry, yeah.
Sir, in previous batches, like all people got 100% placed.
Yes.
With
yes,
good package.
with the help of my with my help. Sit down.
Obviously.
Okay. See, all the people, 10 students will be there. For example, any area. So there are like a few members will be cloud, few members will be dollar. But I want to make them. How we can? There's different way will be there. I want to say directly. If you want, I can tell you that because of my students. The proxy interview support will be there, right? Through that, I am going to help into the clear the hacker to clear the interviews and getting off a letter. I'm helping to them also because out of 10, there is maybe 5 people who will get it. Remaining 5 people, I'm not saying that all people are getting their own. Some different ways we're getting to the settle. That's it. I understand that. Finally, our goal is get the good offer. They have to settle. So that is We have ways will be there. Finally, my target is 100% will whether will be placed or not. Whatever way they place it, that's it. Got it clear, Shriram?
Okay, sir.
You clear, right? What I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So my target is SMK Infotech target is completely 100% should be placed. But how? The way is different. Few people it will be they won't. Some other people they will take my help. My help. That is different. That is one-to-one we'll discuss, not now here. Okay. I'm
Okay,
just
sir.
telling you. Fine. But 100% guarantee, Shriram, no doubt on that. You are recording my session, right? You take it. Everyone, I'm just telling challenge for you, open challenge for you. You can take it. I'm ready for that. Okay. But finally, will be you'll be get the offer. You'll be in the project. But after the project, we have to do effort here. That is not my. I'm not working there, right? I'm not. I'm until like my responsibility. I have to good training. I have to go, guide you good. I have to place you. This is my responsibilities. Whatever you want till getting off, pushing to the project. No, this is my responsibility. Inside the project, if you go, that is your responsibility. You have to do that. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
That is your responsibility. Kiran, yes, everybody. Kiran, Babu, Ramanjanelu, and Dilip Kumar, Muhammad, Praful, Shriram, Shailesh, Shrikant, Vinay, everyone is getting what I'm saying.
Yeah, I'm getting.
Okay. Next, we'll go for demo. Demo will go for what is that. So this is about the basic details. The basic details. Now we're going to for what is Pega. First of all, what is Pega? Actually, Pega, it is one of the university name in US here. It is a university name in US. They released one of the product 1982. Not now. 1982. They released one of the project. The initial project actually BRE tool. They initially they released. After that, what is BRE? I'll tell you. So after that, on top of that, they implemented a lot of features. Okay. So I'll tell you what is BRE the initial actually. BRE Business Rule Engine. Business Rule Engine. After that, they implemented few more features and released full combination BPM relation combination. That is 1985. The both combinations will be there. The both combinations we are calling here. It is released by Pega System. Pega System is a university name is in US. Is a combination PRPC. Actual name is PRPC. And but now we are removed PRPC, Pega PRPC, Pega PRPC. Everybody is saying that. What is PRPC? Pega Rules Process Commander. Pega Rules Process Commander. Pega Rules we can call another name Business Rule Engine. PC Process Commander commanding. So it is a BPM Business Process Management Tool. What first of all, what is BRE? What is BPM? We'll see that. BPM, Business Process Management. It is a tool. It is a tool. Business Process Management. It is a tool. It's not a language. It is a tool. This tool is used for design and make any application to generate automation business in existing and future application. Please note it again. I'm telling you. What do you mean that? I'll tell you that. Business process management. It is a tool. This tool is used for design the application For what? For making automation business process in existing or future application. This is the BPM. Within the single statement is enough. You talk any area, this is a single statement to make automation process. A good question. What do you meaning of automation process? I don't know what is that question. Very simple. Your guys well about you. Everybody nowadays will have some bank account. You are using ATM also. That is general. Regularly will use example take. Then you will easily will understand that everybody will have bank. No doubt on that. You know one thing. If you want a bank account in the past days, at least it will take 22 to 30 days. Am I correct? But nowadays, within a day, they're giving account and credit card, debit card within a day, everything, right? Why? In previous days, it's taking 20 to 30 days, but now it's taking within a day all they're providing. Why? They removed all the process? No. They added still like a few more additional process also. They didn't run. They won't reduce any work. They didn't remove any process. Still, they added a few more additional process also. But how? Within a day they're doing this 1 month and this one day. How? What is the thing they happened? Because future, on the past days, everything they're doing by manually by the humans. We don't have anything, right? Everything. So what I have to do? You have to go for you have to go for any bank. You need to fill the form manually. You need to give all your information, so whatever is required documents, and there is again there are a number of people will be there, right? So not only you, like you, there are a number of people will be in queue. They have to collect all the application forms, and there is a bank agent will be there. They have to review one by one and manually, and once it's done that, he has to check about your BGV background verification, whether this person is good or bad. We don't know, right? Is there took any some other bank account, they took any loans? We don't know what is your BGV. I have to check it. Once you get all the information, I need to send the manager, and the manager based on status will approve. Then after that, you will send the finance department. They will, these all things will happen in the manual. But now you're filling the manually? No. Without going office, without going to bank also, you can open the your mobile and laptop. Will open the particular website. You'll submit the form. Within 5 minutes, you'll submit all the things. So you will see all the review. They have agent will open today. What are the requests is coming by my queue? He will open. He will submit and everything. He will send immediately to the BGV. In the BGV, nowadays everybody is linked to the Aadhaar card. If you click Aadhaar card, I can get all the information. If you can click PAN card, I can get what he has accounts. Very good, everything. Because every application is ready right now. No need to find out it. Simple, already your data will be there in other application. If you click there, I can see that what are the bank accounts. Is there any bond check, anything? I can go all the information. I can get it by using of CIBIL score also, right? Within a day, within a seconds, I can get all the information by providing of your account numbers. And first one is main is Aadhaar card and PAN number. Then immediately once is BGV getting in the immediately process. Wow, this is making automation by the system. Previous doing by the you. Now by doing the system, not by you. That is meaning of automation process. Okay, this is how we can make it immediately. I want without robots. It is a regular process. I don't want involved by you. Every time why is getting off same work, boring work for you also. Just watch it how it is going. Don't involve here. I can make the automation. I can make the robot. I can bring the robots and make the automation. Robot is nothing but system. System will make the automation everything. How? For that, they introduce here one of the BPM concept is a BPM tool to make automation process. How you can make automatically? Is there anyone is helping? Yes. Who is helping? Rule engine, business rule engine. For them, who is helping here? For the BPM tool, who is helping here? Business rule engine. The business rule engine is the main here. The full form BR is business rule engine. Is the base tool, right? Is main important. This is first floor. BPM is the first floor, but the ground floor is who is? BRE, business rule engine. The base platform is very important, is strong. Then only I can make it other things is a floor 1, floor 2, floor 3, everything will be strong. If the base is not strong, then you know what will happen. The base rule is based to business rule engine. It is a tool, it's not again not a language. This base tool is built by Java. The base tool will build by Java JTE only. So it means that whatever you're doing by Java, I can do everything by BRE. No doubt on that. But you're writing coding here. If you're writing coding here, then why are coming here this duplicate, right? Already same person is doing the same work again. Why I'm introducing? Industry will allow you. Why sir again duplicate? I don't want. What is the unique? What is the special feature on your side? That's very important. As you ask someone is like coding Sriram, I think so. If the coding will be the, why should I come to here? Go for languages, Java, .NET, something will be there in our languages. I can use that one. Why should I invest? It's not a free software, also it's a licensed products. Why should I invest here? There's a free softwares. Number one language. I can do everything by Java. Full security. Everything is possible by using of Java, .NET. Why should I come to here? Without no coding here. That is one of the main key here, main special. What is main special here? With no coding. So then how we can develop here business rule engine, nothing but a collection of ready-made. They're using of code, you're developing application, but how you are developing here? What is there? A collection of ready-made business rules, a collection of product business rules, a collection of inbuilt business rules. See, very simple. One more example we are regular using. If you want to dress, in the previous days there's a lot of process will be there. Go and take the pieces and you have to provide the machine for stitching. It will take some time, but quality will be there. After 10 days the person will give you, then you have to wear. But now the same quality is available in the ready-made shop. We will go for the manual ready when is going right now. Immediately we are getting same quality will be there, and immediately we are using the dress. So which one is better for us? I want you to immediately. The same logic we can apply some other areas also. This for only wearing for dress example. What about your business? Why should I waste my time? Why should I waste my profit? Right? Definitely, if you go for Karen, you are facing internet issue, coming, going in, coming, going. Please take care on that. So, hi Karen, are you facing internet issue? Arrived, left. I'm just seeing the message. So the same logic, why shouldn't see if the dress itself you are thinking that way? What about your business? Are you ready to go for delay? If you go for delay, other people will catch you. Other catch the business, they will get the more profit. So business rule engine, a collection of inbuilt ready-made rules are available. Business rules are available. What is the language here? Rule language. This is a tool. This tool also will have, everybody will have their own language. For example, we are of India, we have different languages will be there. The main common language is Hindi, but different local languages will be there. The same thing, tool also will have different language. They have their own language. It's called business rule language. A collection of ready-made business rules are available inside the business rule engine. By using those business rules, I'm going to make an automation business process in the BPM. This structure we can call PRPC. This is the actual definition of the PRPC, Pega Rules Process Commander. This is a theoretical part. The same thing I can show you practically. Once you start, maybe it will start 4th class. I'll show that the same thing practical also. How, what I said, it's a combination of BRE and BPM. We are calling Pega product. How is said? PRPC, Pega Rules Process Commander, is a combination of BRE and BPM. We are calling Pega tool. How is said? BRE, Business Rule Engine. It is a collection of, it is a base tool. It's built by Java, but no need to write it. It even doesn't understand Java language. It will understand their own language will be, that's called business rule language. We have already ready-made business rules are there. By using of those ready-made business rules, I'm calling into BPM tool to make and application for making of automation business process. This combination, this structure we can call PRPC. This is the definition of the PRPC. So this is called Pega product. I'll show as a practical also. This is what is Pega. But why you need Pega? Why Pega? As you're saying that number of things will be there. Why Pega? Means why should I use Pega to develop my application industry? There are number of languages will be there, number of tools will be there. That the free softwares are available to develop any application. But why should I go for the Pega? That's your question. This is I will discuss it tomorrow. Today's we don't have time. 7:30. I have 7:30 one more class. So this is enough. And this recording class and just putting it to Google Drive. I'll send you that your mail ID. That's Google Drive. And the same time tomorrow also with the same link you can join that. We'll continue tomorrow. Why is Pega is required, and you can download it. Once you send that, I will message you. Once you download it from the Google Drive and watch it one more time. If you have any questions, please let me know. You have my number also. WhatsApp me. I can tell you all the information if you want anything. Also, still you have any questions. So this is today's enough. If you have anything else, let me know tomorrow. Anything from anyone?
Nothing, sir. Thank you. It's a
Thank you.
good explanation.
Yeah, thank you, Mohammed. Thanks so much.
Meanwhile, I would like to know, we will get all these notes and all, right?
I will share you all things today. First class, right? Demo, right?
Yeah,
I'll share you.
that's what I was trying to prepare all the notes. So some points I have missed out. So that's why I was
That's
just.
good. That's good actually. Instead of taking from me, if you write it, then it will be never forget what you written, what you know. If you see
Yes, that's what I
that's
was
good for
trying to do.
actually. Even
Because
that's why I'm giving recording class also. Maybe one more time when you watching, then you can whatever you're missing that you can write it one more time also. But I can give my things. That it will be
Okay.
reference. But if you write your own, that's in that is good. One of the to get more knowledge in the Pega tool.
Yes, that's what I was doing. So the mic-in was this thing to know, okay, you are sharing or not. Okay. So
Yeah, I will share
thank you.
you. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you all. I will meet you tomorrow same time and with using of same link. Thank you so much. But everybody please on time. Other students also please who are not joined today, please join tomorrow and we will continue tomorrow. If you have any question, let me know on that. Thank you guys. Bye.